I dare say that most people can't put in this triangle into this puzzle. If we put it directly, you will find that you can't put it in at all. So what should we do? Let's take it all down first. Now let's try it first. This is a triangle on the top right. Let's put this triangle on the bottom first. It should be this piece. It's obviously a triangle here. Point one piece is also a right angle. So this piece should be put like this. If you put it together like this, you will find that it is back to the original. That means this method is also wrong. Let's try it again. Let's change our way of thinking. We start with obtuse angle. We put this piece together first. Then there should be a small piece. This is right. So here there must be a triangle. It should be a big triangle. Put this one here like this. This one should not work. There is too much space here. Well, it should be here. This one is not right. Try it in another direction. It can be here like this. Well, should we put a triangle here? This one. This one is not good. That should be this one. How should we put it like this? It's not right to put it like this. You can't put it like this. It should be right to put this like this. Here it should be the last triangle. In this way, the small triangle can be emptied and put in. So the question is, why can't it be adjusted just now? Subscribe.